Good afternoon, guys. Welcome to the channel. Just a quick video on some products we found from Sensation Tackle. The bait we are looking at is the Sensation Talk. It's a 8 centimeter bait, top water. It is almost like a whopper plopper. This one is, the color is bullfrog, as you can see. And then there's another one that I got. This is the baby bass color. It weighs 13.4 grams, and so it works almost like the Berkeley Chopo. So definitely want to try them out. They are at Western Accessories for 130 bucks. So yes, go and look at them, and there's some different colors. I took 2 colors. There's some pretty nice colors. Some white, and then I'm looking for a black one. You know, I like black color for top water. Give it a try. Let's see how it goes. Give us feedback if you catch things on them, or anybody who has caught fish on them. But yeah, interesting bait. Looks a little bit different at the back. I don't know how long this will last with a bass smashing it, but you never know. You never know. So yes, thank you for watching. Have a good afternoon and God bless.